Chapter 44. I'm glad to have made it through Friday in school, but I have a bad feeling about Tommy. When the final buzzer sounds, I dash out of class and down the hall. I'm in the bright light of the courtyard before anyone else, except Tommy. Hey, Lameberg, he says, standing in front of me and crossing his arms. I look up at him, way up. Then my eyes dart around as I look for an escape route. I thought you'd be out here early, so I skipped my last class. Oh, I hear myself say in a tight, panicked voice. Yeah, Tommy says. I want to give you something. I hold my breath and brace for the first blow. Take it. I realize I closed my eyes. When I open them, I see Tommy's palm extended with a slip of paper on it. Slowly, I lift my trembling fingers and pluck the paper from Tommy's hand.